I'm on my way to drop off some packages to the post office and pick up Indy from school. And I just totally spaced it. But I'm supposed to meet somebody downtown who might be helping us out in the shop. Waterbury had to shut down again. Second time because of COVID. I can't even imagine how hard it would be for a business like that to shut down and get through it all okay. But we're really hoping the best for them. I hope they can stay healthy and get back to work as soon as possible without skipping too much of a beat. One free pass to the trampoline park. No way, how'd you get that? When should we go?
Tonight.
How was school?
Good.
Did you miss me?
Yeah.
You better. And because of that, we need to hire another leather worker to come out here and help us in the shop, keeping up with the orders. Ian's been doing a great job. Shout out to Shaw and Thistle. We couldn't have made it through the last couple months without him. And now we just need more manpower. Made it. I want to lease this space. Oh, it's beautiful. I met Josh over Instagram and we've just been chatting back and forth a little bit. He let me know that he'd love to join our team and help out where he can. So Thomas and I decided to meet up with him. We're gonna sit down and go over all the details and see if this is something that can be a mutually beneficial thing for all of us. Honestly, this phase is gonna be challenging. The shop wasn't exactly built for production. It's way too small, especially to have 4 or 5 people working out here at a time. There's no running water, there's no bathrooms, there's no 220 volt to run a hydraulic bigger clicker press. For the most part, this shop has just been a video studio, you know, kind of an experimental lab. Just somewhere that I was able to come out and test patterns and make new products and play around, make videos. Just a little hub for us, but we certainly don't have the same resources to put out the same level of production that Waterbury does for us. It's gonna get interesting. Hey, what are you doing making your mom do all the dirty work over there, huh? Get over there and make some belts, boy.
I am watching my kid because I'm a kid.
No, you get to work.
No, I'm a kid.
Get to work.
We've been needing some shop organization since we moved in. How many years ago? Like 3 years ago?
23, I think.
It's always been put on like the end of the to-do list. And we got some. We got magnetic holders for our clicker dies and then some bins. 10.
Let's do it. Oh, is that one of those new necklaces? Look out there, you see a moose? How about a bear? How about a elephant? Hey, you gonna order us some cookies?
I want to.
It's a shop night tradish. Hey, this is fine work. Dang, girl. Looks so much better.
Hey, pull it. You can do it.
You got it, Dee Dee.
Pull it.
Pull.
You can do it.
Yeah. Scrap bins, huh?
That's a good bin.
That's a good bin. Okay, ready? You're gonna have a visitor. Oh yeah, that's a good package right there. Sign me up. Wild West, you wanna get in? Okay. This is the bathroom in the shop. This is how we do it. Oh yeah. We need to do a little polar plunge out here pretty soon. So good news, we loved Josh. He's a great guy, we hit it off. He's gonna be an awesome addition to the team. He's already been by a couple days now. He's been spending some time on the Juki 1508, just learning the ropes. And he's gonna be off to making finished goods in no time. So we're just that much closer now to getting our products back in stock and seeing things go a little bit back to normal as far as our products go. Gotta watch out for the beaver. We're gonna need a new shop soon. I love this place though. I might have to keep this one just as a little secret leather lab. Don't tell.